Nobody got him.
Saw feathers.
Right up in a tree. The guy's looking at him right behind him, and he shot him out of the tree. There you go. There. Ooh, what the hell? Who shot that? Who shot that last one?
I did, but it was up there.
Wow. That was loud. Three shots? Now that's a good bird dog there. Keep going straight. Straight to the right. Well, go get it. Go get it.
Mark, go chase him.
You can catch him. He's on point, Mark. Leave him alone. He's on point. Is there another one, Mark? Just one?
What?
Just one?
It's not dead.
Oh.